everybody? Welcome back to Viking Studios. It's Rob Costello here. Today we're going to be doing a photo shoot at a hidden waterfall I've shot before, but I haven't done a video over here yet. We've got two lovely models with me today. They're going to be getting in the water. So if you guys want to introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Laura Tompkins. You can follow me on Facebook.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Meyer on Facebook, also known as Metal Kitten. My IG is metalkitten_666. I think that's it.
I'll put the links down below so you guys have it. But you guys can give them a follow, show them some support, and at the end of the video we'll have not all of them obviously, but some of the final images from the waterfall shoot today. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're gonna get down there and get rocking. Alright, so I'm just kind of finding my footing here with my camera. The water's kind of got some holes, so we're trying to be careful so I don't get my camera ruined. And we're going to have her get a little closer to the waterfall. So let's go ahead and get you a little closer into the waterfall if you can. And I'll have you stick like your hand out touching it. There you go, yeah, like that. And we're using flash, and I'm shooting on the A7iii right now. Eyes right here. I'm going to change up the angles. We do have face detect on and eye autofocus. So these look really good. They're a little dark, so I'm going to increase my ISO slightly and then my shutter speed. Look great. Oh, that's incredible. She's looking great. That looks awesome. I'm gonna have you turn your head that way, chin up nice and tall. So you can see. Yeah, look great. All right. I'm gonna have you try to kick the hip out a little bit. Yeah. Yep, just like that. Take the other hand on the hair and give it like the messy. Yeah, you got it. You're a pro. You look really good. So now we're just having her do some of the exotic type posing. Just gonna have her move, get some natural fluid movements. I'm gonna have her pose with her back to me now. No limits, no ceiling, no ground, no pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do. No. Okay, so now we have our second model in. She's probably super loud, but we're gonna go ahead and get her some shots like that. Hold out like that, and then with this hand, splash the water, yeah. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. We'll do it one more time. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.